you're actually going to want to slide your iPhone down from the top. So anywhere on the screen, you just slide down. This should bring up a screen that basically says Siri suggestions. And from here, what you're going to want to do is click on Find, type in F-I-N-D, and then it should say Find My. Overall, what you're going to want to do to accomplish this task is you want to click on the Find My app. This is new to iOS, and this basically allows us as consumers to find gadgets and even friends that we decide to have on our important lists and actually track them down to the exact location of where they are using the maps and I guess whatever technology is in the device at the time. So for this being said, guys, what you're going to want to do is click on the Find My, and then you're going to want to click on Devices. So otherwise, you're going to click on People. That's for another day and another video. But for today, we're going to click on Devices. Mine are called Justin's AirPods Pro. There it is. So it'll actually tell you where your AirPods are, and on the map, it'll show a destination for where your AirPods are. So for those of you who are looking for your AirPods, this should be a quick and easy solution to finding your AirPods Pro so you never have to lose them again. And like I said from the beginning, if they are underwater, I'm actually not sure that this works because then they might actually be broken and not usable at that time. So anyways, guys, see you next time.